Welcome to this 30-day journey to learn English step by step. In this program, we will focus on listening, speaking, reading, and writing every single day. The goal is not perfection, but consistent practice that builds real fluency. If you stay with me for the next 30 days, you will surprise yourself with how much progress you make. Day 1. Start simple. On the first day, we keep it light and easy. Spend 20 minutes listening to slow English, like simple podcasts or stories. Then read a short passage aloud and try repeating after it. Finally, write 5 easy sentences about your day and speak them out loud. Day 2. Build a daily routine. Today, build a habit by practicing at the same time. Listen to English for 20 minutes, focusing on understanding the main idea, not every word. Read one page from a storybook or article, then summarize it in your own words. Write a few sentences about your morning and say them out loud with confidence. Day 3. Repeat and shadow. Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. Play a short audio clip in English and try to copy the speaker's voice, rhythm, and tone. Do this for 15 minutes even if it feels strange. Then read a short story out loud and write 5 new words you learned. Repeat them until they feel natural. Day 4. Speak without fear. Today, focus on speaking freely. Take a topic like my favorite food or my hobby and talk for 2 minutes without stopping. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep talking. After that, listen to slow English news or stories and write down the main points. Reading aloud again will make your voice more clear. Day 5. Mix it up. Now add variety to keep things interesting. Listen to a short conversation in English and repeat it. Try reading a short story with simple grammar, then write a small summary in your own words. Finally, record yourself speaking for 1 minute and listen to your voice. This will help you notice and improve. Day 6. Build confidence. Confidence grows with small wins. Listen to 20 minutes of English, then practice shadowing one small part again and again. Choose a simple story or dialogue to read and underline words you don't know. Look them up and write short meanings in your notebook. Then read the article again aloud with better understanding. Finally, speak about the topic for 1 minute without looking at notes. Day 7. Review and reflect. The first week is complete, so let's review. Go back to everything you practiced this week, your sentences, your recordings, your new words. Read them again and try speaking them in short conversations. Write a short paragraph about how you feel after 1 week. This reflection will give you energy for the next steps. Day 8. Add listening variety. By now, your ears are getting stronger. Today, listen to something new, like a podcast, a children's audiobook, or a YouTube video with subtitles. Don't worry about understanding everything, just focus on the big picture. After listening, repeat a few sentences out loud and write them down. Day 9. Story practice. Choose a short English story and read it aloud. Pause after every paragraph and explain what you understood in your own words. Then, write a short summary of the story in 5 to 6 sentences. Finally, try to retell the story while recording yourself and listen back to improve. Day 10. Daily conversations. Start practicing daily conversations. Pick topics like ordering food, asking for directions, or introducing yourself. Read a short dialogue in English and repeat it several times until it feels natural. Then practice the same conversation aloud as if you were speaking to someone in real life. Day 11. Shadow more deeply. Today, do 20 minutes of shadowing practice. Choose one short video or audio clip in English and speak along with it. Pay attention to stress, pauses, and rhythm. After shadowing, write down 10 new words you heard and practice saying them clearly 3 times each. Day 12. Read and connect. Find a simple English article on a topic you like, sports, movies, or travel. Read it slowly and underline words you don't know. Look them up and write short meanings in your notebook. Then, read the article again aloud with better understanding. Finally, speak about the topic for 1 minute without looking at notes. Day 13. Speak longer. Today, focus on speaking for longer periods. Choose one topic, like my dream job, and talk about it for 3 minutes without stopping. Do not worry about mistakes, just keep speaking. After that, listen to 10 to 15 minutes of slow English audio and write down the main idea in 2 or 3 sentences. Read it aloud again for practice. Day 14. 1 week review. At the end of the second week, it's time to review. Revisit your notes, your recordings, and your summaries. Read them again and notice how much easier it feels now compared to day 1. Write a short paragraph about your progress so far and speak it out loud with pride. Day 15. Mini-test. Today, give yourself a mini-test. Listen to a short audio clip in English without subtitles and write down what you understood. Then, read a short passage and retell it in your own words. Record yourself speaking about your day for 2 minutes and then listen to it carefully. Notice how much more confident you sound. Day 16. Real-life listening. Now it's time to bring English closer to daily life. Watch a short video, movie clip, or interview in English, listen carefully, and repeat key sentences. Write down 3 important ideas and say them out loud. This will help you connect learning with real situations. Day 17. Expand vocabulary. Today, focus on new words. Choose 10 useful English words, write their meanings, and create short sentences with each. Read those sentences aloud and practice saying them naturally. Listen to how native speakers use these words in context, then repeat after them. Day 18. Practice questions. Speaking also means asking good questions. Write down 10 simple questions in English, like, what is your favorite food, or where do you live? Practice saying them out loud clearly. Then answer each question yourself in full sentences to train both asking and answering. Day 19. Longer reading. Choose a longer passage or article today, maybe 1 or 2 pages. Read it slowly and underline unknown words. Look up meanings, then read again with understanding. Summarize the main points in writing, and finally, speak them out loud in your own words. Day 20. Record conversations. Imagine you are talking to a friend in English. Choose a topic like travel, school, or work, and record a short conversation by yourself. Speak both roles and try to make it sound natural. Listen back to your recording, notice mistakes, and repeat the conversation again. Day 21. Focus on pronunciation. Today, pay close attention to pronunciation. Choose 10 words that are difficult for you and practice saying them slowly and clearly. Listen to native speakers pronouncing them and copy the sound. Then place those words inside full sentences and read them out loud 3 times each. Day 22. Speak with flow. It's time to build fluency. Pick a topic like my future goals and talk for 5 minutes without stopping. Do not worry about mistakes, just keep speaking. Listen to yourself later and write down 2 or 3 things you can improve. This practice will make your English flow more smoothly. Day 23. Watch and repeat. Choose a short video clip in English, maybe from a show or interview. Watch it once with subtitles, then again without subtitles. Pause after each line and repeat it with the same tone. Write down 3 new words you hear and practice saying them in sentences. Day 24. Story retelling. Pick a short English story or article today. Read it carefully, then close the book or screen. Try retelling the story in your own words without looking. Record yourself and listen back. This helps build both memory and fluency at the same time. Day 25. Write and speak. Today, write a short diary in English, just 5 to 6 sentences about your day. After writing, read it aloud and record your voice. Then, listen to it and repeat again with more clarity and confidence. This connects your writing and speaking skills together. Day 26. Role play. Imagine yourself in real situations. Practice ordering food at a restaurant, buying something in a shop, or greeting someone at work. Speak both parts of the dialogue or find a friend to practice with. This makes your English more natural and practical. Day 27. Active listening. Listen to a podcast or news clip in slow English for 20 minutes. Write down the main ideas in 3 or 4 sentences. Then say those sentences aloud, like you are explaining them to a friend. Repeat the process once more with another audio to strengthen your listening. Day 28. Speak with emotion. Fluent English is not only about words, it's about expression. Today, read a story or short article aloud, but use emotion in your voice. Try sounding excited, happy, or serious, depending on the content. This will make your English sound more natural and alive. Day 30. Long practice. Choose a topic you love, such as travel, movies, or family. Speak about it for 10 minutes without stopping. Do not focus on mistakes. Focus on flow. Record yourself, then listen to find areas to improve. Repeat again the next day with more confidence. Outro. Thank you for completing this 30-day English journey. Every small step you took added up to big progress. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It is about being consistent and confident. Keep practicing every day. Keep learning through stories and exercises. And soon English will feel like a natural part of your life. Your journey does not end here. It is just the beginning.